Hi guys, the Eureka J15 Max Ultra, unveiled at CES 2025 and released globally in June 2025 for about US $1,299, is a high-end robotic vacuum mop designed for effortless whole home cleaning. It delivers powerful 22 kilopascal suction and features dual vision spill detection that can even spot clear liquids, reducing messy accidents. Innovative sweep extend and scrub extend. Arms reach deep into edges and corners. With smart mapping and automatic self-emptying, the J15 Max Ultra combines advanced AI, navigation with strong performance for a truly hands-off cleaning experience.